guys, welcome back to the Water in PSUs. So today we have a bit of a different video than usual because it's a microphone review and we're taking a look at the Fifine K669, the one right here. Now, my methodology for this video is to simply record all of it on this mic so you can just hear how it sounds. I will not add any kind of sound tuning in post-production, so you can just feel it and get a feel for yourself. I think it's good. Now, let me give it a bit of an intro. So, how and why did I get this microphone? Well, actually, a friend of mine was looking for a cheap microphone, and I think a lot of us do. And he got a Fifine one off Amazon for very cheap. So I was like, okay, when I stream, I usually use my Astro A50 wireless microphone. But you know, it wasn't the best because the noise cancellation is so high that when I was streaming with somebody, they couldn't hear the other person. So since I very often do like fixing streams on Twitch and stuff, I figured I need a microphone. So I was like, okay, let me try to reach out to Fifine, and they sent this, the K669 over. Now, let me tell you, for the price, I will already tell you, it's really good for just 30 bucks, okay? It's readily available on Amazon and they sell different colors. Basically, this thing down here changes. Now, me personally, I don't really think the other color look good. I think they would age pretty quickly, but I think the black one is great. Now, it's a pretty normal looking microphone, kind of small. Now, I will not play around with it too much because I'm recording on it. But basically, it comes with a stand. It can be mounted in a way that comes down to you if you want to. And it has an analog volume knob. Now, what this allows you to do is if you turn this thing to the max, you will actually increase the volume. Now, I have spent, I think, a couple hours of my life just traumatizing my friend on Discord just by turning this thing on, okay? So I could do this to you right now. Actually, I might do it, but you will have to lower your volume, okay? So lower it, and then I will do it, okay? So as you can see, as I turn it, it gets increased, but if I turn it to the maximum, it's the perfect ear scare for the people in like your Apex Legends lobby, okay? So if I just slot this thing to the max, you know, you kind of really can hear me, can't you? Plus, whatever I do to the microphone, you really feel it, yeah? Anyways, let me put it back to a decent volume. So, this is fun. So I think it's really good for gaming. I think if you want to get some very good headphones that don't have microphones so that they can be lighter, and you know you have to spend less on your headphones, and then you get a $30 microphone for gaming, this is perfect. I also think if you're starting to stream, like me, I'm not a famous streamer. Roughly 3 people watch my lives usually, and 2 are my friends. So, you know, I think you don't need to spend a ton of money either. I think this one is perfect. I haven't had complaints regarding my audio since when I bought this. I used to get them all the time before I got this microphone, so it was a good improvement. And I mean, it comes in pretty well with a decent packaging. Let me show you. Then again, I have a small video of the unboxing. I might put it while I'm talking, but yeah, it's, you know, pretty normal packaging. It has all you need with the instruction and stuff. And overall, it doesn't occupy too much space. I like it. Obviously, there are better microphones, I think we all know. But I think for the normal use, gaming, streaming, you want to play with your friends, you wouldn't really notice the difference between this and something that costs triple the money. That's how I see it. I try always to get good value. If you've seen like my videos, I record with a small lavalier mic. I paid like 15 bucks for that, plugging it into my iPhone. So you really don't need expensive stuff to start out being a content creator, even if you're a decent sized content creator. And for sure you don't need it if you're just playing. So yeah, much better than the average headphones. And it also has kind of a pop filter, not really, but you know, it kind of filters out a bit of the stuff. We can try if you want to. I can say like potatoes, it doesn't really hurt. But yeah, overall, I like it. I'd say recommended for the low price, and I'd say it looks good, it feels premium. I like it overall. Well, a bit of a different video. I hope it wasn't too boring, but if you're still here, I usually make videos on build and stuff in case you just found my channel through looking for this microphone. And take a look at it, you might like it. I have stuff to improve your PC's performance, to show you how to get PCs for a cheap price. Sometimes I water stuff. I mean, I think you might like it. See you in the next one. Bye.